I've seen countless hacks that could have been prevented with better password hygiene. Folks, your password is probably not as secure as you think. Let me break it down for you. One of the first things you can do to protect your online accounts is to create strong passwords. Avoid using common phrases or easily guessable information like password 123 or your birth date. You know, hackers have sophisticated tools that can crack these in seconds. Another great way to enhance your password security is enabling multi-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection by requiring more than just your password to access your account. It's like having a deadbolt on top of your regular lock. It makes it much harder for the bad guys to break in. Trust me, I've investigated enough cybercrime to know that this simple step can make a world of difference.